Okay, so hello everyone. I'm here again with the one more example based on list. So the aim of this example is to merge some list items given in the list. So you all can see over here that list one is given and some elements I have stored like D, P, S, character, all the characters actually. Then we are just printing list one as it is only, no change, nothing. And then print function just for the new line. Okay, so when I will print this answer, I will get the answer in a one line of a gap. So we are asking user, or actually here we are defining, actually you can ask user also. What we have defined over here is you want to merge from which number to which number. So from number 2 till to number 4. And initially we are storing our answer in one variable, that is answer variable. And initially we have stored everything of list 1 into answer, everything. So this is the logic line or main line, you can say. So if you focus on the right hand side part, this part, it will join. Okay, it will join the characters from the number that is 2 to number 4. And we know that if it is 4, it is n minus 1, 2 to 3 only. Okay, as a single string, it will join this 2 as a single string. So whatever is there in 2, whatever is there in 3, that is 0, 1, 2, S and Q, it will combine as one single string and it will replace the corresponding slice. Corresponding slice means it is number 2 colon 4, that is 2 to 3. So in the answer variable with the merged string. Okay, so in that place that merged string will come and then we are printing our answer. So this is what we are getting. This is the output. You can see it has merged these two. If you want PSQ, okay, something like this, then we can write index 1. Okay, see, it is PSQ. Okay, so likewise you can merge the list item. You can say not all but some list item given in the list. Okay, so thank you everyone.